So in this video, what we want to do is show how to install the ASI N4 driver. And you see ASI Tritium .100.9.8 is our current revision of the N4 ASI protocol driver. I've downloaded that from the partner portal, so or ASI University. You can right click on it. I'm going to go ahead and extract it. And you'll see there's going to be a couple files in here, the RT and WB files. Those are the jar files or the modules. There's a README file that gives you the different version and the changes that took place. So if you want to check that out, you're welcome to. Basically, all I want to do is just select them and copy them. And then I'm going to go to my Niagara install, which is under C drive, Niagara. And then let's say I'm using 4.7, so go to 4.7 in modules. Right click, paste, and it's going to ask me if I want to replace them. I'm going to say yes because I don't know that I have the right latest and greatest files, so I'm going to replace them. And now you can see I've got both the ASIC RT and ASIC WB files there, which is good.